Hindi. Hindi ko alam ba't namamaga yung mata ko. Because pag gising ko, umiiyak ako, may tears ako sa mata. Hindi ko alam bakit. Hindi ko matandaan yung napanaginipan ko, guys. So, yung bed. Okay naman, malambot. Guys. Walang multo. Ayun, except for the insects. Ayan, nasa floor pa sila. Ayan, ilang pirasong insect nasa floor. Yun lang, pero overall, okay naman siya, guys. Maliligo na kami. Dapat 5:30 kanina, gumising na kami, guys. Kaso nga lang, antok pa kami. Look at my nose. Si my love, ayan, nag-aalmusal. How much rating? How much rating?
Me?
That it would be a good idea to restart
8 daw.
twice canceled Keystone
8 daw siya,
XL
guys.
pipeline project and use Canadian
Tama yung rating mo.
A few details beyond that were provided.
Guys, overall 8 daw. Okay naman siya. Yan, gulo-gulo ng bed. So, pupunta na kami mamaya, guys. Kain. Titimpla ng coffee, ganyan. Tapos maliligo. Magbibihis. Check out. And then, that's it. Balitaan ko kayo, guys, kung anong mangyayari sa graduation ni My Love. Ayaw daw niya, guys, na mag-live ako. So, wala na akong enough memory sa cellphone. So, baka gamitin ko na lang yung telepono niya later. Okay naman. So, yun. Maganda naman yung aming naging stay dito. Walang multo. Not like yung huli naming dating hotel na tinulugan. May multo talaga. Kasi hindi ko na mahanap kasi yung video, guys. Kasi baka negative vibes sa'yo kung mag-store sa phone ko. So, dinilit ko na lang, guys. Okay. See you later, guys. Thank you so much. Ganda ng buhok ko. Okay. Thank you to those who haven't subscribed yet.
But it was a pretty brutal
Please subscribe to our channel. Click, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Ayan, nag-breakfast si My Love. So, again, we're here at the Travelodge Hotel, located in Claremore. Yes, malapit lang siya sa mall. Saan ba kami galing? Malapit lang kami doon sa Jollibee pala. It's just within the city, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And by the way pala, king size bed to, guys. Itong room na kinuhanan namin. Kaya isang bed lang siya. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.